Good morning, Tina.
Good morning, Neil. Neil, one of our college girls has fallen sick and has been admitted to the hospital. She's mute, so I was wondering how will she explain her problem to the doctor?
That's really a big problem. But Tina, this issue won't last much longer. Because very soon, humans will be able to understand each other's thoughts easily.
Really? You must be talking about telepathy or hypnosis, right?
Not at all. I'm talking about a scientific discovery.
Now I'm curious. Please explain.
Then listen. Just when people thought that mobile video calling was the greatest technological miracle in the world, scientists took another step forward. The year was 2014. For the first time, scientists demonstrated that two human brains can communicate with each other without speaking a word, without seeing each other, and even while being thousands of miles apart. One person was in India and the other was in France. They exchanged just two words, ciao and hola.
How was that even possible? They must have pre-decided those words.
No, this was a completely new scientific breakthrough. Think about it. When you talk on the phone, how does the person on the other end hear you without any wires?
Because in phones, spoken words are converted into sound waves, transmitted through the internet and then converted back into sound on the listener's end.
Exactly. And something similar happens here too. Brain waves are captured by a device called EEG, electroencephalogram. That information is then converted into digital code. It is sent via the internet to another person's brain. There, a technology called transcranial magnetic stimulation, TMS, sends mild magnetic pulses into the brain to convey the signal. Notice, no sound waves were used anywhere in this process.
But still, the thought reached the other person's mind. Is this possible only between two people? In mobile phones, many people can talk at once.
Great question. That's why in 2019, science advanced another step. They invented BrainNet, a system where three brains can be connected simultaneously. Two people can send thoughts and one can receive and make decisions. In the first experiment, three participants played a game of Tetris using only their thoughts.
That sounds fun, but this discovery could revolutionize the field of medicine. Just imagine those patients who can't speak. For them, this could be a blessing. They could express their feelings just through their thoughts.
Absolutely. And this revolutionary technology could completely change the future of communication.
But Neil, I've heard that something similar happens naturally among animals too. A scientist once said that some animals can send signals to another's brain using weak magnetic fields. So, when will this technology be available to the public?
Very soon, because a startup called Neuroba is now trying to combine human consciousness, artificial intelligence, and quantum technology together. They are developing a software that can reduce misunderstandings in thought transmission.
But Neil, could this invention also become dangerous for us? If everyone could read each other's minds, then what would happen to personal privacy? Wouldn't people start trying to control others' thoughts?
Excellent question. That's why scientists are saying that there must be a code of ethics for this technology. Otherwise, it could become a threat to human freedom. But one thing is certain, brain-to-brain communication isn't just a technological curiosity. It could become a new chapter in human civilization. It could transform medicine, education, and even human relationships. However, without proper caution, it could also lead to terrifying consequences.
What do you think? Will this technology help humanity or push it into danger? Comment below, we'd love to hear your opinion.
And not just the future. To learn how science is bringing the past back to the present, check out our next video.
If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this amazing discussion about the future of science.